Good or well. Hi, May. We're really looking forward to seeing you this Thursday. Me too. I'm packing stuff. Please tell me that I don't need to bring all skincare items along. My skin is really sensitive if it gets exposed to a different environment. Don't worry, May. I'm pretty sure the really good weather here will make your skin more relaxing. I hope so. So, your room here is already set up. You only should take into consideration nice clothes in order to get tons of good photos. It's the top priority on my list. It's so late now. I'm going to have a final presentation on my new project to my lecturer tomorrow morning. Good luck to you. Good night. Thank you. Good night. It's 3 p.m. now. I guess her flight is gonna be landing in 5 minutes. Well done, Pitt. Why can you recognize him just via video call? I'm here, May. Hi, it's good to see you here. Me too. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm talking to your dog, Pitt. You're much taller than you were 5 years ago when I met you. Okay, so let this tall man help you with your luggage. Thank you. You're welcome. I've got your keys. Here you are. Wow, it's well designed. I graduated from architecture school. Don't you remember? Oh, I almost forgot. Good job, Jacob. Thank you. Well, the space is not very spacious, but the view from the windows. Magnificent indeed! I love trees, flowers. I really get close to Mother Nature in this room. I'm glad you like it. Are you hungry? Would you like to have a coffee or... Oh, coffee will definitely make me tipsy. I don't want to make a fool of myself in front of me. Anyway, I can never get used to it, so I prefer to drink pure water. There are some bottles of water in the fridge. I think you had better take a rest after your long flight beforehand. Then I can cook something for you. No worries. I only have a 3-day trip, so taking a rest will waste my time. That's right? I still remember when we joined the nonprofit organization. You cooked a really good bowl of noodles. So, can you cook a beef noodle bowl for me, please? Yes, it's my pleasure. It'll be much better when you are hungry. Wow! Oh, it tastes so good. You always wine and dine your guests with your cooking skills, don't you? Not everyone can have a chance to enjoy the food I cook. You should feel lucky about that. Oh, don't be conceited about it. You know, a 5-year-old boy can cook noodles. Okay, I lost. You won. No more discussion about that. You see, you think you can beat me. No way. Bring it on. I'm just kidding. You cook really well. Thank you so much. Now I get my energy and ready for my trip here. So, what will be the first place you want to show me? I thought you had a list of go-to places. I just posed this question to test your hospitality. You're so evil. My first place I want to go is the Sydney Opera House. As I know well that Sydney is very famous for the Sydney Opera House. Exactly. The Sydney Opera House is the iconic landmark when it comes to Sydney. This graceful building was included on the UNESCO World Heritage List in 2007, if my memory serves me right. Very impressive. But we can drop by the Sydney Harbour Bridge first, on the way to the Sydney Opera House. Well, so we can book tickets online for the latter one now. That's what I'm going to say. It'll be such a waste if we don't visit the Sydney Harbour Bridge, one of the city's best-known landmarks, on such a beautiful day like today. I'm sure I'm going to get tons of perfect photos there. Here we are. Thank God! It's such an amazing place! So, now, what are you waiting for? I really enjoy the atmosphere here. Let me introduce you. This is the Sydney Opera House. It's distinguished by soaring halls with a white ceramic tiled exterior shaped to evoke the sails of a yacht. That's right. It's wonderful. It's quite late, and I'm starving now. I have no idea where we're going. Where are we supposed to have dinner now? I know a very good restaurant with good food near here. It's really well known for Australia's culinary history. Oh, perfect! I can't wait! My friend is this restaurant's owner. Oh, here he is. What's up, Jacob? Let's see who you brought here. Hi, I'm Bill. Welcome to my little restaurant. Oh, hello. I'm Mayra. You can call me May. Nice to meet you here. You're not living around here, are you? Yeah, she's from Malaysia. We got to know each other when we took part in an international program. Yeah, I'm having a short trip here. You speak English so well. It's quite impressive. So, don't let you guys wait any longer. I'll prepare a good meal for you.
Not for you, Jacob, but for you, May. I'm fine. I'm sulky, but don't refuse to eat. Haha. Okay, today it's on me.
Wow, I give you credit for your generosity. Thank you, Bill.
So, how is your life?
Well, I'm getting stuck behind the desk with a 9 to 5 job. Every day I go to work without any motivation. I work as a robot and feel exhausted often.
It's not May I used to know who was vivacious and with high energy and creativity.
I miss myself too. I know I can't keep this work for so long. I've taken a little step for a new journey.
I bet you do.
I'm raising a cat. She and I do gardening every day on the balcony. I water flowers, grow vegetables, and she says, meow, meow, to support me.
It's such a good way for you to allow yourself to relax. I don't want to give you any advice because I know deep inside you, you know what you have to do and how to do that. Now you need stillness, which helps you stay away from your daily hustle and bustle. When you stay present, the unknown with creativity will flow in you again.
Thank you so much.
We both finished our meal, right? Let's give our chef a compliment.
Yeah, let's go. You cooked a really good bowl of noodles. You cook really well. Wow! Oh, it tastes so good.